One of the old little babies that I still have, but they still look like in excellent condition. A digital sequencer. There's a flop drive. The only thing I just scratched a little bit there right now. I'm so mad at myself. I just was moving out to pack it up and just scratch it. And that's just you guys have an idea how small is that little baby. And it's still rock and roll like on the first day that it came out. I It can be used like a sequencer, or also it has a MIDI that I think we can use like to connect something on it. I can't remember right now, but as you can see here, we can just probably get a piano on it to record the mid, and here's a mid out that we can just interconnect to another devices. That's a really sweet unit that will be soon back again in full glory in a new place. I don't know where and when yet, but soon as they get back, I'm gonna show you guys. Let's see here. I just found a flop here. I don't know what's on it. Probably they'll say not compatible or something like that. Yep. Let's see if we can get function. No. Need setup. No. 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 Track. Let's see if I can format a flop on it, but I don't think so. I haven't that option. Yeah, I don't see here if I have an option to. Oh, I do here. Now show up disk, enter, format, enter, and yes. Almost done. Here we go. And like I said, running like the day they came out. That's all guys for now.